An unsteady film industry. Potential filmmakers don't always get many opportunities. But a local media company is looking to change all that with an incubation program aimed at developing young aspiring filmmakers and writers. One of its offerings, funded by the National Film and Video Foundation, caters for 20 young women.
Her Story is a women filmmakers development incubation or program where we've shortlisted 20 women within Mafikeng, from Mafikeng, to train them into the filmmaking, to take them through filmmaking introduction program. In addition to Her Story, we have another program called Bakwadi Young Writers Development Program. We teach young writers, both male and female, how to write folk tales in Setswana, and then incubate them through the process, and then from there we help them to publish that work.
The ultimate aim to create jobs.
With Her Story, we are going to shoot the short films, whereby now this will form as part of their show reel, enabling them to be able to seek for work in other productions. We also have communicated with other productions to absorb the delegates so that they can further gain experience within the industry. They will be able to shoot their own films without having to depend much on funding or other external matters.
And excitement for those who are participating.
So with programs like these, like Her Story, focusing in filmmaking and the arts or entertainment industry at large, it enables youth not only through skills but also adds to their profile in order for them to can furthermore in future get employment in other productions if they don't go the independence way.
And I've learned what a slate is, I've learned what a camera is and how to use a camera. And when it comes to writing, I've also learned about script writing, how to go about, from the concept, the idea, and actually putting it down to paper and actually going out and shooting it.
This program will benefit me because it's a skills development program. There's always something to learn, so I've learned so much.
With tuition fees always a worry for young people looking to further their studies, this program is not only free, but students also get a monthly stipend.
With the incubation at hand here in the Northwest Province, it is first of its kind. We, as the learners or the students of this very incubation, we are getting a stipend, and knowing that most of the universities, especially film institutions, we pay, but this very program, it has eradicated and still going to eradicate poverty, and it is free of charge.
Before I could enter this program, I didn't have anything I could fall back into. So by me trying my luck and chances, I didn't know I'll get accepted. With this, it opened so many doors for me.
Stories produced through this initiative are expected to be released and published, giving aspiring filmmakers much needed exposure. Tebogo Phakedi, SABC News, Mahikeng.